Oi. Oi, Zach. Oi. Come on, oi. Oi. Alright, did you hear that jaw slap, guys? That's 3,500 pounds per square inch of closing pressure. That's really impressive. He could crush a pig's skull with one close of those jaws. So it's not just those teeth you have to worry about, it's that jaw pressure. It's absolutely intense. And that was that pressure you heard then when he took that piece of pig. Now, we will jump in with Zont. Now, if you guys stand up the top, he's the pen on the corner here on the right.